we have recommended our ABS cabinets for the general walls. In fact, we also have the wooden material cabinet for choice. Now I will introduce the wooden cabinet, especially for this model, item code AGBC010. This model we have just supplied the Hong Kong Makeshift Hospital for COVID-19 patients with over 800 pieces. For this cabinet, we will show you details. A drawer here, and in the cabinet, inside there is a shelf to put some stuff. It's a very common style, and for the whole cabinet, you can choose with or without casters. Also there are two towel racks at both sides. It's a hidden style.